What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, there hasn't been an update in a while because I've recently been overseas over in Europe, so let's get back to where we left off, and that was the carbon fiber interior. So let's go take a look at it over here. Now, as you can see, there is no carbon fiber on these panels. So what actually happened was, because of how fine the carbon fiber particles are, see, they're very fine pieces. What actually happened was they weren't 100% flat on the surface, and when we poured our epoxy resin over the top, little air bubbles were trapped underneath the carbon pieces and rose to the surface and put a lot of bubbles in my pieces. You can probably see a few bubbles here on this one. I haven't peeled that one off yet. It's relatively easy to do, just heat it up with a heat gun and then just slowly peel it off. So I will be starting again. I'm very anal with my car. I want this to be perfect and do it right the first time is what I always say. So we're going to be ordering bigger size carbon pieces from the distributor I got them from before, and then we'll be redoing it all over again, hopefully with a better outcome this time. We'll take a bit more time and care doing it. So it was a good learning curve, but we will be redoing that as well. Also, as you can see here, it is looking very bare inside. So at the moment, I currently got the exhaust manifold turbo rocker cover away at Pro Coat Australia, which he's doing a fantastic job of getting those coated for me. We should have those back next week. So once those are back, we'll start pulling the engine out. So I still got to grab this hunk of mess here and tape everything with labels so we know where it all goes back together for next time, and also will help with when we can relocate some of the wiring to clean up the engine bay a bit. But that will be in the next episode, so if you want to stick around for that, make sure you like and subscribe. Also hit that notification button if you want to keep following me on this journey. I know I haven't posted in a while, but the videos will be coming more regular now that I'm back, and we'll start to get this thing moving. Thanks a lot, guys.